There are so many art kinds that you should try, like digital illustrations. So I found this reference on Pinterest and I wanted to recreate that one. So here I am recreating this eye look. It was amazing, guys, and you should also try this because it's not very difficult and you just have to know the color palette. You can install ibispaintx. It's not sponsored, guys. I just like this app. It's free and the brushes are amazing. So I'm using this app to draw here. These are some lavenders that was in the reference photo. So hope you like this one.